With Amazon Prime Days coming up, I wanted to share 5 of my favorite Amazon products that I use for organizing and storage. First up is this vitamin and supplement storage container. I love that this is color coded with the days of the week and it fits nicely in a case, but the best thing is that this can hold a lot of vitamins and supplements. I take 9 different daily vitamins and supplements that I'm able to store 2 days in each pod. Altogether, that is 2 weeks worth of vitamins that I can quickly access each day. I got this on Amazon for a little under $8, and by the way, the links for all of these products are in my video description box below. Next up are some colorful plastic mason jar lids. This comes in a pack of 16 lids in 8 different colors. Each color comes in both a wide mouth and a regular mouth size, and this retails for $10. Rubber seals are included to guarantee an airtight seal using these lids. These have come in so handy for me. I've used it for homemade salad dressing. In my bathroom, I have it to store homemade mouthwash. And in my laundry room, I use it to store my homemade fabric softener that I use. Moving on, I highly recommend these glass amber bottles. I have the smaller 4-ounce size as well as the larger 16-ounce size. Both of them come with spray nozzles. The smaller one has a cap as well as a funnel, making it easy to add your liquid. The larger bottle also comes with labels, and they both come in 2 packs. Smaller ones cost about $6.50 and the larger ones $10. I've used this bottle to make a screen cleaner spray for all of our electronics. I've used the larger one in my laundry room to make a dryer ball spray. And it also comes in handy as a yoga mat cleaner. Moving on to the kitchen area, I cannot recommend these glass containers enough. I ditched the plastic containers quite a while ago and I've moved to glass. I have not looked back. These lock up and seal up airtight, keeping your food fresh. This clear glass lets you see easily what's inside, but sometimes I do take a chalk pen to write dates. The best thing is the versatility of these. They are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe. There are a lot of options on Amazon, but the set I purchased specifically came with 4 containers, 2 large 80-ounce and 2 smaller 36-ounce, and it was around $30. It was a great investment. Highly recommend. Also, they stack nicely and are very easy to store. Rounding out my fave 5 are these magnetic measuring spoons. They have both a round and an oval edge, and they are magnetic. This is amazing because everything stays together and you never have to improvise on a recipe because you can't find anything except a teaspoon when it calls for 1/4 a teaspoon. These also store perfectly and retail for $11. I hope you found this video helpful. Please check my description box below for links to these products on Amazon. Save them in your cart and see if they have any lightning deals on Amazon Prime Days or during the holidays. Happy shopping and thank you for watching.